IU School of Medicine and Riley Hospital need more Latino volunteers for a study tracking COVID-19 immunity. Minorities are almost 5 times more likely than their white counterparts to contract the virus. News 8's multicultural reporter Katira Winfrey joining us now with that story. Katira.
Well, Phil, the study calls for volunteers who've actually contracted COVID-19. It's a 2-year commitment, but researchers say it's important to get a diverse group of participants to better track if immunity is possible and how it forms. Medical professionals around the world and here in Indiana are working every angle to learn more about COVID-19, how to stop it and track it.
The 2 key pieces about immunity that people are studying is 1, how the immune system fights off infection when you do get it. And then 2, is there immunity that protects you from future infection?
IU School of Medicine and Riley Hospital teamed up to continue that work. This go around, they are tracking COVID-19 immunity and how it changes and develops in those who've tested positive for the virus. Enrollment is open for the development of immunity after SARS-CoV-2 exposure and recovery, or DISCOVER study.
We really want to understand how long immunity lasts to COVID-19 in both people who had infection and were asymptomatic. So our study is designed to answer key questions.
Participants will give a sample of blood 4 times a year over the course of 2 years. So there's a bigger call out for those underrepresented minority groups to participate.
What we're seeing as the pandemic has, kind of exploded in the U.S., that disproportionately African Americans and the Hispanic population have been affected.
Unlike some illnesses where once you beat it, you build a lifelong immunity. So far, it doesn't seem like COVID works that way. Experts say there's been cases of reinfection and diminished antibodies in the months after recovery. And the people who participate will get a stipend that you can find out how to participate and to get in touch with someone who speaks Spanish on our website, wishtv.com. Reporting in the studio, I'm Wish TV News 8's multicultural reporter, Katira Winfrey.